Hello, I'm Darian Woolbright, and today is part 2 of my instructions on how to stage your home or simply give your house a style refresh. Since we're spending so much more time at home these days, a lot of us are ready to redecorate. Today I'm going to help you with step 2, creating your vision board. Your vision board is going to help you capture how you want your home to look and, more importantly, how you want to feel in the space. It's your own personal vibe, so let's have some fun with it. The way it was described to me was to imagine that yesterday you were looking through a magazine and there was a stunning bedroom with the most gorgeous wallpaper, and you thought, I've got to have that wallpaper, it's so cool. And then today you see an image on Instagram with a crisp white bedroom with a statement piece of artwork right above the bed, and you absolutely fall in love with that one. And then tomorrow you visit your friend's new house and see what she's done in her bedroom and think, oh, now hang on, that's gorgeous too. Maybe I should do that instead. Well, now you've got 3 gorgeous options that you love swimming around in your brain. How do you know which one to choose? This is where your vision board comes in. This will keep you accountable to the vision you've worked so hard to create. So first, look at the brainstorming we wrote down about how you want to feel in your space from the first video. And now it's time for some research. You can start with Pinterest or Google or magazines, whatever you choose. If you're using Pinterest, type the words you wrote down in the previous exercise in the search bar and start exploring. This will help you decide on the style you want to go for in your dream home. Remember, this is just a research phase. Start curating the board of your dreams, sticking to one particular style that you've defined. New inspiration can find you anytime, so you should be adding to your Pinterest board daily. And here's a tip. As you build your boards, continue to delete images that no longer fit in with the look and feel of the others. They may be beautiful pictures, but if they're not fitting in with the main style that you're feeling, delete it as you go. Now it's important to try to describe your style vision in 3 to 5 words. Narrow it down. Some of the examples I've seen are modern Mediterranean villa, or beachy farmhouse with modern vibe, or rustic boho accents. It's important to narrow it down to tell one story. This is your compass that's going to help you make every single styling decision. It summarizes, so when you get tempted or distracted by something shiny and new, it'll help you stay on track. Anytime you get caught up in the chaos of loving too many things, and trust me, that's going to happen, stop and look back at your vision board to see which version of the thing you like more closely matches the vibes of your board. Whatever it is, go with that option and never look back. I hope this helps you find inspiration. Feel free to call me for more design ideas. And if you're thinking of buying or selling in today's market, give me a call for a confidential consultation. I'm Darian Woolbright, your eyes on the real estate market.